Want to answer a couple of trivia questions? It says, what is the traditional day for the exchange of Christmas gifts in many European countries? Is it Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day, or New Year's Day? Go ahead and answer in the comments below and we'll give you a free lesson, right? Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays to you. And I'll put the answers at the end of the video as well. Here's another fun trivia question for you. It says, which three words describe the Grinch in How the Grinch Stole Christmas? Green, green, and very green. Stink, stank, stunk. C is grumpy, crabby, prickly. Or D, wicked, bad, and evil. What do you think? Do you remember? Here's a couple more questions for you. How many ghosts appear in A Christmas Carol? Now this is kind of a trick question because honestly, I answered it wrong the first time. How many ghosts appear in A Christmas Carol? Is it A, one ghost, B, two ghosts, C, three ghosts, or D, four ghosts? What do you think? Again, I'll put the answers at the end of the video, but go ahead and answer in the comments if you can. And then how about one last one? It says in the song Jingle Bells, ooh, what kind of sleigh is mentioned? Is it A, an open sleigh, B, a covered sleigh, or C, a wooden sleigh? Were you paying attention?